It's a wonderful Wednesday in sunny Las Vegas, 76 degrees here in our wonderful city. And it is October the 5th already. We are 5 days into the last quarter of the month, and hopefully you all have been heeding my words and doing something to change your plan. Because if you don't change your plan, nothing else is going to change. Um, so, where have all the buyers gone? Where have all the buyers gone? We are down 50%. We're selling 6 homes a day. Last month, at last year, this time we were selling 12 homes a day. So it's down 50% from a year ago, month to date. And last year today, we were selling 143 homes a day. At the end of the year, that was the average. And this year so far, because we started the year off pretty good. It says 114, but I will guarantee you that it may hit double digits. It may get off the 100 mark and down, because we only sold 85 homes per day last month, and that was September, giving us, based on 85 homes a day, 114 days of inventory if we meet that. We'll see. I'm not seeing the deals come in. I know that a lot of people just aren't making their commissions, and the commissions nowadays, they're not peanuts. You know, you do an average price home, you're making maybe $10,000, and if you're not making that, that has to impact your budget. And to me, it's a little scary. Anyway, we have 9,740 available high-rises, condos, single-family homes, and townhomes on the market. We did 58 closings yesterday, and we listed 119 homes. Now, of those single-family homes, there's 7,581 of them